Hey clouds, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So happy October. I figured since it's October and Halloween is right around the corner, I would start off this month by doing a makeup tutorial. So this tutorial is inspired by Lava Girl. I hope you guys enjoy this. If you guys don't remember Lava Girl and Shark Boy, then you definitely need to watch that movie just because it was like my childhood. Anyways, yeah, this is my version of Lava Girl and I hope you guys enjoy this look. It took all day. I have red all over my hands, but that's okay. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, so for this look, we're gonna start off doing the eyes first. That's why I already have one eye done. So I'm just gonna get straight to it. First, we're gonna start off with eyebrows. As you can tell, this eyebrow is a little red. First, I'm gonna take my normal brow color. I'm just gonna fill them in. Now we're gonna add the red in. My hair is crazy looking, by the way, because I'm gonna put on a wig. It's a little heads up. So I'm using the Spirit Cream makeup, and this is just to add the red into my brows. And we're just gonna overtrace what we just did. It's gonna look a little messy, but we will clean it up. Okay, I just cleaned up the brow using the Tarte Shape Tape, and now we're gonna move on to the eyes. So I'm just going to be using a base. This is the Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. I'm taking the Anastasia Rivera palette. I'm going in with Inheritance. And I'm taking a really small brush. This is Morphe M154. This is just so it's really precise. We're gonna start by just dabbing it in to the corner of our eyes. I love this color. Now I'm taking the other side of the brush and I'm using my Profusion Spectrum palette, and we're going to be diving into this orange. And we're just going to place this in the center of the lid, lightly patting it. Huda Beauty, and diving into the same color, red burgundy. And this is my Morphe E14 brush just to place the red down. So we're going to work it this way because we want to blend it out and also up. Okay, now taking my M411 brush that already has product on it, we're just going to blend it even further. Again, we're going to be taking this top color. This is going to be blending into our eyebrows. I'm taking my other brush that's for eyebrows and I'm going to dip it into this Jouer Poppy lip. It's really a pretty lip, but I'm going to be using it on my eyes. And we're going to focus on looking down and making an arch. Okay, that was just a base for the cut crease. Now we're going to be taking this Wonder Swipe from Rimmel London. It's like a gold glitter, and we're going to really apply it. Okay, so we are going to clean it up, but before we do that, we're going to apply some eyeliner. This takes all the focus. We don't want to do a crazy wing. Just want to do something simple. While this liner is drying, I'm going to be putting on the Tati lashes. I'm just going to put some glue on it right now so it can dry while I prep the lashes. Some mascara base. This is the Chanel mascara base. I really like this. This is a little sample I've been trying and I really do see a big difference. Okay, now time for some mascara. This is the Chanel Voluminous Mascara. This is just to make sure that the fake lashes blend in with my real lashes. Okay, now time for some foundation. I'm using the Chanel Perfect Velvet Foundation in the shade 40. Okay, normally I would do concealer, but today I'm gonna start off with bronzer and then do concealer. So I'm using the Morphe Vlogger bronzer. There's like hair everywhere. I had to brush my wig because it was nappy. A little on the nose because we're gonna go in and do some red contour with the nose. We're just gonna take what's left over on our brush that we used the red with, and we're just going to slightly contour it. Now we're going to do some concealing, and I am going to make sure it's very precise. I'm just going to take a small brush. I'm just going to dab where I want this to go. You don't really need it on your chin. It's kind of just like a force of habit thing for me. I'm not really pushing it into my skin. I'm holding this very, very lightly and kind of just like patting it. Okay, now we're gonna start doing the forehead designs, and this is gonna need a lot of concentration. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna draw it out with eyeliner, and this is brown eyeliner, so it shouldn't be too noticeable.
And then I'm also going to be tracing over this outline with the red paint.
Okay, so now we're just going to take a small concealer brush. I'm just going to kind of erase. Okay, so I just filled in the red using the yellow eyeshadow Inheritance from the Anastasia palette, and then I went over with the glitter liner. Now I'm gonna focus on doing the jaw. That should take some time. We're gonna do the same steps, just outline it with this thing. So I just did the rest of my body, just kind of outlined it. I know it looks messy, but it's gonna be easier because we're gonna have all of that to clean it up. So I've just been dabbing it on my finger and then working it that way. And then we are gonna be cleaning it with concealer just to make it look really pretty. Exact. That. We're gonna fix that. Okay, it was easier for me just to take my finger and work on this cream with my finger. So I learned from this side that I need the red to dry first. So I'm gonna do the rest of my body with outlining, and then we're gonna do the gold. So this is kind of harder than I expected just because it's on my neck and I have to do it myself. But the neck should be easy since it's surrounded with all this red. Okay, so this is gonna be very rough. Of course, we're gonna make it pretty and clean it up. This takes a lot of concentration. Okay, so I'm just finishing up painting. I'm gonna go ahead and finish outlining the lava. That was not dry on that side. That's okay. We're just going to highlight it with the liner. Okay, so I just finished painting the rest of my body and the gold on the lava, and as you guys can tell, this paint is not really drying as well as it should be, but that's okay. We're gonna let it dry and move on to lips and then finishing the look. I am using my designer, I have red all over my hands, my designer lip duo from SKY Beauty. Shop now, link in bio or in the description. A little bit of highlight. This is my Luna Skylighter. This wig has seen better days, let me tell you. Okay, now I'm taking my SKY Beauty Co. Glitter Gloss in Designer Drip. It was made for this combo. Especially, it looks good with all kinds of other lipsticks, but this is my favorite. And that's a wrap. Whoa, okay, that took all day to film, partly because my camera wanted to be annoying, let's just leave it at that, but it was really fun to create this look and really did challenge myself. So I hope you guys love this look and I hope you guys got the idea of where I was trying to go with this. But yeah, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Sky family because every sky needs her clouds, and I'll see you guys next time. Let me know what kind of other makeup tutorial for Halloween you guys would like me to do in the comments down below. Bye clouds, I love you.